Hello and welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to talk about images in documentation, specifically on GitHub. I was asked in my Twitch chat, hey, I want to put an image in my README, but I know you're not supposed to put big binary files into Git, like images. And I was like, yes, indeed, that is correct. But let me show you a little trick that I've used, and many others have used, that allows you to embed images into a README. Now, I specifically wanted to add a link to one of my YouTube videos into this README, and I haven't done that yet, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do there. This is the image we're going to embed. And I'm going to make sure that I don't check this image in. I also don't want to hot link it from YouTube because there's a chance that YouTube changes their API at some point and breaks this image link. So what I'm going to do is start by editing the README. And this will work with any, any sort of markdown file or any other thing that you can render. You can also do this via comments. I'll actually show you via comments because I think that's the easiest way to do that. So let's say we had some sort of issue open, and we want to, put an image into here. The first thing you're going to do is either you're going to upload the image by clicking through here. So let's say if we, uploaded this image, for instance, we can start by uploading that, and we don't actually have to post this comment at all. GitHub has their own special CDN for us, and so we can just use this URL inside of our README. So if we went over here and linked this here, of course you would want to do your alt text here. And if we preview, you can see that this will render fine, and we didn't actually add this image to our Git repository at all. We just put it on GitHub CDN. Of course, we don't want that image. We want this image here. And we can actually take the same sort of trick here. Instead of just copying it straight from here, what we can do is we can paste this link in here, this image link here. And you'd have your alt text here. And again, we're not going to post this comment. You don't have to post this comment, so you don't have to noise up your issue tracker for anything. We're going to click on preview now, and GitHub will go out and fetch this image and then cache it in their CDN as well. So you can actually copy the link address. We want to copy the image address here, and this is what GitHub has converted that to us. For us. So you can see it's on their GitHub user content domain. This is their image CDN. And so now we can use this image here to be our image here. So this is, let's say, video about test pollution. And I actually want to put this in the right section and change it to a link. I think we do that. I don't know, the syntax here is a little bit fiddly. I want to get the actual YouTube URL. Test pollution, yes, this one. And get rid of the playlist ID. And that should give us a image link using GitHub CDN that links us to my YouTube video. All without having to upload anything at all. You can close out of this comment, and yeah, that's how you can use GitHub as a image host, which is especially helpful for for READMEs and stuff. Add YouTube link and thumbnail to README, and that's all you really need to do here. That will that'll show up if I merge up here. But anyway, hopefully you found this little trick useful. I use this all the time to put images into READMEs. It's super helpful, and I didn't have to check anything in, so I didn't ruin my Git history at all. Wow, look how fast Precament CI is before Azure Pipelines even starts. Anyway, hopefully you found this interesting. If there are additional things you would like me to explain, leave a comment below or reach out to me on the various platforms. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.